Everett, I liked your video about your bow and arrow and teaching us about archery. I happen to have my own bow and arrow, and it's a little different, and I'm going to show you the parts of my bow and arrow and the parts of my arrow. This is my arrow. Has a tip, 2 nocks, 1 shaft, 4 fletchings, and 1 finger grip. Alright, this is my bow. This is the upper limb, and this is the lower limb. This is the grip, and these are the knocking points. There's 2 of them. And you put these 2 nocks in the knocking points, like this. And you pull it back, and you aim. You aim by which direction you pull the arrow, up or down. Hi, this is my shield piercer, also known as a catapult. It doesn't shoot cats, though you can put cats in it if you want to. This is the base, this is the fulcrum, this is the counterweight box, this is the projectile, and this is the sling. And this is the lever. Alright guys, this is the deadly part. Remember, safety first. This catapult is designed for 2 types of assault. The first one is Trebuchet. This is how you work. This is how you shoot the projectile. The projectile is loaded onto a launching base. Gravity pulls the counterweight basket, which is pulled by a lever, which swings the ball in a rolling motion and hits the army people. Prepare for doom, you ugly fish slapper! This is the second assault, which is called an aerial assault, which is made to break walls and break buildings. This is how it works. Observed, that launch was so powerful it nearly busted our ceiling open. If it wasn't prevented, it would have went flying in the air and busted the city down. Thank you for teaching us about ancient weapons. I like that, and I hope my videos applied that information. Thank you.